It turned out absolutely beautiful. I love how everything just kind of comes together. It fits together so well. And lots of little clip arts. The only thing I don't think I really enjoyed on this one was how faint the last one. I wasn't sure how dark that was going to be because on my computer screen it looked a lot darker. Oh, focus again. There we go. All right, so little date covers. The washi strips for the bottom. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I love it. This is by far my favorite. I really hope that you enjoy this kit as much as I enjoyed creating it.